We're Graham and Alison from Australia, from near Brisbane in Queensland, here in Vietnam with Vivu Travel on a private tour with a guide and driver. We've had a lovely trip starting from Saigon, and we've come all the way up to Hanoi, and we've done the Northern Loop, which we really enjoyed through the mountains. Dong Van, Mio Vac, Ha Giang, and some wonderful experiences up there. But now we're on a lovely rowboat in Van Long, and we've really enjoyed our trip with our guide and driver, and we highly recommend people take a private tour with Vivu Travel.
And our guides have been wonderful. We've had a wonderful time with Tuan and Mr. Hung as our driver. Have looked after us so much, taken us wherever we wanted to go, sorted out anything we wanted to sort out, and it's just been the perfect holiday, and the Northern Loop is certainly a well worth trip.
The people are lovely, they're very friendly, and the food is wonderful. Highly recommended.
Book through Vivu Travel.
Vivu Travel, yay!
People who know their country.